Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn your phone into a karaoke machine. Singing karaoke on a phone is really easy to set up and can be brilliant for parties. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about using your phone for karaoke and its work for both Apple and Android devices. You can use a smartphone for karaoke by downloading a karaoke app such as Smule or Star Maker, or by using YouTube. Connect your smartphone to an external microphone and speaker, or use an all-in-one wireless karaoke microphone for best result. The first thing you need to do to sing karaoke on your phone is to download a karaoke app. Google Play Store and the App Store are full of great free and paid karaoke apps with various different features and a wide library of high-quality songs available. YouTube can also be used on both devices for karaoke. One of the best options for this is Singa, which is a free and paid option, and the option to sign up to a free trial giving access to over 80,000 songs. The best karaoke apps for Android devices are Singa, Smule, Karaoke by Yuki, Star Maker, The Voice, Karaoke Mode, and Karaoke Online. Use an external microphone. The main problem with using a phone for karaoke is that the microphone is poor quality for recording. Also, your phone will not amplify the volume of your singing. So, you will need an external microphone to do karaoke properly using your phone. There are two types for this: an all-in-one microphone and an external speaker and separate microphone. In all-in-one microphone, this connects to your smart device using phone, Bluetooth, or an aux cable. The external microphone and speaker is connect your external microphone to your using either Bluetooth or an aux cable. Your external microphone doesn't need to be anything fancy. In a lot of cases, the built-in microphone found on headphones actually works really well and is a cheap solution to getting better quality audio. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.